Hi, this is Joe with Hermit Softwash. I'm out here doing oxidation removal. These are the tools I'm going to use. I've got a bottle with LA Totally Awesome. It's a 1-to-1 mix. And you can see this is a windowsill that I've already cleaned, and it looks pretty decent. You can see that there's some heavy oxidation on the back of this house. Here's one I haven't cleaned yet on the back of the house, and it's got some oxidation you can see from the metal fixtures here. It's also got some patterns that have kind of seeped into the paint there. This paint is very old. You could tell that it failed. This side is very bad. You could see a thick layer caked on here and on this one too. This is the west side of the house. I didn't actually get these ones done on this day, but take a walk around the front and you could see where there's some pretty serious oxidation. Here's another window on the west side. There's the truck. It's looking pretty good. Just got some new lettering and logos on it. If we look over here, this is the front of the house, the bedroom window, and you can see that it's very oxidized. Lots and lots of oxidation here, and it seems to be dripping from those metal fixtures. So that's kind of odd, but it looks like whatever reaction has occurred here, it definitely oxidized the paint. But you can see that this paint is really old. It is chipping. You can see that also the chipping looks like it's right under those metal fixtures. I've lived in this house about 7 months, and I'm pretty sure that all of this is much older than 7 months. But you can see this is what it looks like before. This is one of the worst ones on the house. This is my house, by the way. I don't know if I mentioned that. Here I am cleaning it. Nice little quick, almost too quick time lapse. Sorry for the janky filming here. As you can tell, this is a new channel, and I'm working on the filming part of it. My aim is off sometimes, but look at the difference here. You can see that it's really, really clean afterwards. Still a little bit of faint markings, but you can see that the oxidation came off and that the green color is showing. So from this angle, it looks pretty good. And also, if you're out on the street looking at the front of the house, you can't really tell that much is going on here. You can see on the walls too, though, that there is plenty of oxidation. Look at that. It's so thick. Doing this on the entire house would take a long time and a lot of effort. So I'm trying to see how I can work in this kind of a service into when I actually go to customers' houses, how I can work this in as an oxidation removal service. But I definitely want to learn as much as I can before I offer it to as one of my services, as I want to do it the correct way and learn a little bit more about it and what kind of chemicals are going on here. But here's a little before and after still shot for you. You can see that it's a really big difference. And man, it looks so awesome. Definitely a big difference. Like I said in the beginning, I used LA Totally Awesome in a spray bottle. I used a kind of hard bristle brush and just kind of scrubbed it lightly. I didn't want to damage the paint at all. But I did rinse first. I rinsed with water and kind of scrubbed it a little bit with just water, just to get kind of the caked on stuff off of there. And then I sprayed it with the Totally Awesome, let it sit for like maybe a minute to 3 minutes, and then scrubbed away. And that was it. But anyway, I hope you liked the video. If you feel inclined to do so, please like and subscribe. I hope this helped some of the do-it-yourselfers out there. Thanks.